Chiefs score 34 unanswered in 34-7 rout of Rams, Kansas City, Missouri. Jamaal Charles shredded the Rams on a pair of touchdown runs. Knile Davis returned a kickoff 99 yards for another score. The Chiefs sacked St. Louis quarterback Austin Davis 7 times. If there was a fourth phase to football, Kansas City probably would have dominated that too. After spotting their cross-state rivals the first touchdown, the Chiefs turned up the pressure in every way Sunday. The result was a 34-7 victory, their sixth straight in the series dating to Sept. 24, 1994, when the Rams were still based in Los Angeles. Anytime you play good in all three facets, you're going to win a lot of games, said Chiefs quarterback Alex Smith. And it felt like we did that. Charles, who last week became the Chiefs' career rushing leader, powered over the left side of the line for a touchdown in the first quarter. He added a 36-yard score early in the fourth, dodging a defender at the line of scrimmage and then accelerating past the Rams' defense. Cairo Santos added a pair of field goals for Kansas City, 4-3, including a career-best 53-yarder right before halftime. Smith was 24 of 28 for 226 yards, and Davis capped the string of 34 unanswered points with a short touchdown run in the fourth quarter.